Hey there, it's Matthew with Finsanto again. Tires are a big investment, so it's important to make them last as long as humanly possible. How do we do that though? For starters, making sure you have an alignment done when you first get the tires. Tire wear influences the alignment, so your new tires may sit differently than your old tires. It's good to at least have your alignment checked with your new tires so everything starts in the green. If not, your new tires will wear unevenly, or may even have wear that leads to noise on the road. Remember, an alignment is different than a balance, and we'll get to balancing in a second. Next, keep up with your tire rotations. Normally your front tires will wear more than your rear tires, because they do all the steering. The extra movement can also cause something called feathering. This can be avoided by moving these wheels and tires from the front of the vehicle to the back, and the wheels and tires from the back to the front. It will also extend the amount of time it takes to wear the tires down to minimum tread depth. Tire rotations are recommended every oil change by most automakers. Some, like Toyota, recommend tire rotations more often as well. We recommend a tire rotation every 5,000 miles or 6 months, which works beautifully with how often we recommend you have your full synthetic oil change. Wheel balancing is done whenever you get new tires, and every shop that replaces tires should also be balancing the wheel and tire assemblies when they install the tires. But this service can be performed at any time. A wheel that's out of balance will cause a vibration at higher speed and cause the tires to wear faster. You can even end up with a patch of the tire wearing faster than the rest of it, meaning the whole tire would need to be replaced sooner. One of the easiest and arguably most important parts of tire care is the pressure. Your vehicle manufacturer put a lot of science into the correct air pressure for your tires. This pressure is designed to make the patch of the tire that contacts the ground as wide as possible. This allows the tire to provide you with the maximum grip it can. A tire with low pressure will get most of the car's weight on the outside of the tires, causing the outsides to wear faster. A tire with pressure that is too high will bulge in the center, causing the tire to wear faster in the middle. So, when that tire light is illuminated on your dash, don't hesitate to bring it in and have your tire pressure checked. Since tires are made of rubber, they have a certain lifespan. You can tell when they're getting old by looking at the tread. This here is a picture of a tire with what's called dry rot, which is an indication that the tire is old and needs to be replaced. The outer layer of rubber has become dry, which causes it to shrink and split. These cracks open deeper layers of the rubber to the degrading effects of the sun and nature. Dry rot compromises the safety of the tire, especially when it spreads to the sidewalls of the tire. You should never go cheap on tires either. After all, they are the one part of the car that contacts the ground. Acceleration, braking, and steering all rely on how the tires work with the ground, so cheap or poor quality tires actually diminish the effectiveness of the safety components of your vehicle. In short, tires are paramount to the safe operation of your vehicle. The worst effect of not taking care of your tires is a blowout. This happens when the structural integrity of the car's tire is so bad that the tire catastrophically fails. It immediately eliminates all handling you get from that wheel and throws thick rubber around, damaging your vehicle and possibly threatening other cars and people. We care about your safety, and that's why we check your tires and other safety components when you come by. It's just another reason why we're a wrench above the rest.